So in this Air Canada app tutorial, I will be showing you how to book a one-way flight here on the Air Canada app. So once the Air Canada app is opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom left bar and select the book icon. Then at the top where it says round trip, one-way, and multi-city, make sure that one-way is selected. So where you're departing right here is go ahead and select depart. So this is where you want to fly to. So for example, if you wanted to fly from Vancouver and you wanted to go to, let's just type in Montreal as an example right here, Montreal, Quebec. You can then select your depart date, so what day you want to leave. So let's say I wanted to leave on the 30th right here. Add return is because it's a one-way trip, you don't have to. If this looks good to you, go ahead to the bottom right and press continue. And then if this looks good to you, you can go ahead and change the passengers here, so how many people are going. You can change the cabin as well if you want to select economy, premium economy, or business class. And then you can add a promo code if you want, but if this looks good to you, go to the bottom and press on where it says search for one-way flights. It'll then show you the one-way flights right here, so it's going to load. It'll show you the flight as well as the price. So if you wanted to go ahead and select, I'll do this one as an example. You can then select your seat as well as the seat map, so I'll just press standard right here and then press continue. Once you're on this page, it'll show you the preview of where your flight is going to be going and sort of what it looks like here. So you can fill in your passenger information. You can then add a payment option, a credit card, or your AC wallet. So then you can go ahead and review the fare. So in this case, it's one adult, the charges, the fees, the total, etc. And if this looks good to you, go to the bottom, press accept and book. And then you can go ahead and book the one-way flight this way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to book a one-way flight on the Air Canada app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.